Okay, I tried to test some messages and I am getting this error. What is the solution? Most probably I am getting this because my number is pending. As you can see, in my phone number, when I go to the phone number, it is showing pending, and it was very hard to find its solution. But I have got something. Go to your app and now go to the WhatsApp API setup. Okay, I was having this number created, and let's generate the access token key, a temporary access token key. We have skipped this step, so this is very, now you have to continue with your ID, whichever you are using. Now choose WhatsApp account you want Market Digitally to access. Of course I will use this account, this WhatsApp account, and then continue, and review access Market Digitally and review what the terms you are agreeing, everything, and save. Okay, now it is connected to Market Digitally. Got it. Here is the there was a problem on registering. This is unsupported post request object ID now does not exist. Loading due to missing permission and does not support this operation. Please read the API documentation. Okay, after I don't know why I have got that error, but the number is connected here, and also I have got the limit. Maybe that was due to some problem. Let's send a message. Send. And this is sent successfully, and I have got the message in my phone. A great solution. A small mistake was when, okay, a small mistake was there when you have added the phone number, this number, when you have added from there you must be creating or you must be generating a token, access token. This is what, this one is temporary, and then actually I'm using the permanent access token. I am not using this. You can use this for some time, and then you will have to shift to the permanent, because this is not the permanent one, this is a temporary, just for test purpose. Thank you very much. There will not be any issue in future. Thank you very much.